Tyson from Pattison Ag in Maple Creek, shop foreman. When the hay is ready, downtime isn't an option. A ValueMax inspection keeps the mower conditioner or baler running at peak performance. Our expert service technicians inspect drive lines, pickups, and hydraulics, catching issues before they cost you time, money, and quality forage. Make hay while the sun shines. Without the stress, book your ValueMax hay inspection today and keep the bales rolling. We're local, we value trust. Every inspection comes with a clear report, honest estimate, and a walkthrough so you know exactly what matters and why.